Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if your pattern lock is not being recognized on your Samsung Galaxy A3. If when you're trying to get into your phone and your lock screen does not recognize your pattern, you may want to first try to boot into safe mode. In safe mode, it will hopefully allow you to bypass some glitches. Now, the phone won't allow you to reset your phone normally, so you will have to force reset by pressing and holding the power button and the volume down button. And then once this pops up, just keep holding the volume down button in order to go into safe mode. You can stop holding it once the safe mode text pops up in the bottom left corner. Now in here it will ask you to put in your pattern. Now if the pattern gets recognized, it's great. That means it must be a bug with your phone for whatever reason. Then you can try, but if it does work in here, let's say it works, let's take it like that, then you'll be able to try and later return from safe mode to normal mode and try the lock screen password again. But let's say it still doesn't work in normal mode, you may have to take it to a service center or contact Samsung support in order to get help. Now in the end, if none of the things I just said worked out, you might unfortunately need to do something which you may not like, that is, perform a factory reset, which will unfortunately delete all of your data. I will now show you how to enter a factory reset, which, let's say you are in this screen, doesn't matter if you're in safe mode or not. It won't let you turn off your phone normally, as you might see, without unlocking your phone. So you will have to first plug in a charger or plug it into a PC, preferably into the PC, and then press and hold the power and volume down buttons to force reset it, which, thanks to it being connected, won't reset it but instead just shut it down. Then once this shows up, you want to wait a bit until it loads up the charging logo completely, like such. Just wait a little bit. And then once it is, press and hold the power button, the volume up button and the home button at once. Keep holding them until the Android robot appears. Now do take into account that you will need to remember your Google account for this, because if you don't, you will not be able to use your phone after the factory reset. So just remember which Google account you are logged in on this phone, and make sure you can log into it. Now this might take a little while of waiting around for it to load. Now, after waiting for a bit, at this step, of course, you can remove the charger if that's what you want. Then use your volume buttons to scroll down to wipe data / factory reset, and then use your power button to confirm. After this, scroll down using the volume down button to yes, and use your power button to confirm. This will perform the factory reset, after which you can use your power button to confirm to reboot system now. This will start your phone back up, and then you'll have to do a first setup, although you will need connection to internet or connection to your mobile network in order to log into your Google account, otherwise it won't let you through. Now it might take a little while because it's been factory reset. Now it's going to start the setup. You want to pick your language with this option below the arrow. Just find English or whatever language you want to continue in. Click the arrow to start. Insert your SIM cards if you have, and you probably didn't take them out. Now you have to connect to some Wi-Fi network, and as long as it has working Wi-Fi. Now after putting in password and clicking connect, you can now wait a little bit until it connects and click next. Then accept the end user license agreement. You can agree to other things, but you don't need to. Then click on agree. It's going to take a little bit to check for updates as normal. And now you have to log into the account that your phone had before the reset. It's very important that it's the one you had before the reset, otherwise it's not going to let you really go through. I will now put in the details, but I can't show you them. Now after putting the account details in, you may add the previous account or use a new one for this phone. We're going to use the previous one, but if you choose to add a new account, it's just going to ask you to log into the new account, and you're going to use that account as your phone's account. Now you can try recovering a backup if you had any. You can try restoring those things, and that's it really. Try to pick your current date. If it's correct, just go. You can set up a new PIN, pattern or password. We'll set a pattern. You can set it to be required when starting the device up. And I'll just make the new pattern. And that's it really. This is all you have to do. Yes. Now, if this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.